Hello, hello, hello. What's up? It's Rhonda from Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday look with a classic palette. I'm getting ready to go to a birthday party, and it is the holiday season, so that makes it officially a holiday look. So today we'll be using the Rose Gold palette Remastered from Huda, and it is beautiful, and I don't need to swatch it because it is a classic palette. And I'm going to be doing a classic beautiful rosy rose gold look to go with this gorgeous tie-dye outfit that I have on, because you know I gotta rock the party. I'm not the birthday girl, but I like to have fun, don't you? Yes, yes, we love the fun. So I'm going to start with Bubbly here and put it in my crease. And that is just beautiful. I'm not going for anything too crazy since I've got so much color already on, but just something warm and fun. Who doesn't like to have a little warm fun? The communists. I'm going to go into Rose Gold and put that in the crease. It's very beautiful. I'm definitely hitting the shimmers hard because it's festive. But that looks really pretty. And I'm going to go into Demure, little matte action. That really makes it pop. And then I'm going to go into a little bit of the darker color, which is called Cocoa, on the other side of that brush. And just put that on the outside. So pretty. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm going to get a blending brush out though and just soften this up over here. That's much better. And I'm going to go in with Moon Dust with my finger and brighten up the inner corner and the lower lid. And that does a nice job there. And now I'm going to go into Pink Diamond. And put a little pop of like plum just over here. I think that makes for a beautiful sparkly look. Now I'm going to do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have the mascara and eyeliner. It really brings this together. And I'm going to do a beautiful look with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink number 15 in Lover. It's a little pink. We won't use that. We will do a little bit darker with number 80, which is Ruler. And it looks gorgeous, and I feel very pretty, and I'm very excited about this birthday party. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and remember, any day is a special day if you want it to be. Yay!